Have you ever finished a meeting feeling like everything went well, only to realize that the real work is only just the beginning? You still need to organize your notes, remember what was agreed, write follow-up emails, update your task list, and then somehow make sure that nothing important gets forgotten. Now, in many cases, the admin after the meeting can take longer than the meeting itself. Well, that's exactly what the Comu Action Pro is designed to help with. And in fact, before I show you anything else, let me show you probably its most impressive feature. All I've got to do is press the dedicated AI button and simply say, help me generate a presentation from my last meeting. Within moments, Comu has taken that conversation and turned it into a presentation draft that I can actually work from. And that's a really good example of what Comu is all about. Rather than simply being another AI voice recorder, it's your pocket-sized AI workmate built for the 30 minutes after conversations when the real work begins. Simply talk to it in natural language and it can turn your conversations into presentations, follow-up email drafts, action items, documents, and much more. Now, one of the things I really like is that it's a dedicated device rather than just another app running on your phone. You don't need to worry about incoming calls interrupting the recording, notifications appearing during a meeting, or your phone battery disappearing halfway through the day. You simply press record and let it work in the background. Whether it's a client meeting, an interview, or a phone call, it's designed to capture conversations wherever your work happens. Now, the device itself is compact enough to carry around easily, or it magnetically attaches to the back of your phone. It's got a display that gives you quick access to information like the battery and current recording status. It charges through USB-C, it includes a dedicated AI button, and provides up to 70 hours of continuous recording, so battery life should never be something that you're constantly thinking about. Now, it uses a 6-microphone array with AI noise reduction, which is particularly useful when several people are speaking around a table, when the room isn't completely quiet. And of course, capturing the conversation is incredibly important because the transcription, summaries, and AI-generated content are only going to be as useful as the original recording. Now, better audio quality also gives the AI cleaner information to work with, helping produce more accurate transcriptions, summaries, and AI-generated insights. Now, obviously, I can't show you recordings from real meetings or private business calls, so for this review, I've created a fictional meeting based around planning a YouTube review campaign, and that gives us a realistic example of how Comu fits into a normal workflow without sharing anything confidential. Before the meeting even begins, Comu's new calendar reminder and meeting prep feature can help you prepare for upcoming meetings by recapping the relevant past conversations, highlighting open questions, and bringing together useful materials before the discussion even starts. But during the meeting is where the main experience really begins. As the conversation takes place, Comu creates a live transcription, so I don't need to spend the time in the meeting looking down, typing, or writing notes. I can focus on the people I'm speaking to or having a written record of everything being discussed. In our fictional meeting, the brand decided to move the campaign launch from the 18th to the 22nd, the product price was increased, a firmware upgrade is required before the review, revised talking points need to be sent before filming, and before the meeting ends, they also asked me to prepare a presentation summarizing the new campaign timeline and everyone's responsibilities. Now, that's quite a lot of information to remember from one short discussion, especially when different people are speaking and plans are changing as the conversation continues. But once the meeting ends, Comu has already produced a full transcript along with an AI-generated summary of the key points. And instead of reading through the entire conversation again, I can immediately see that the launch date changed, the deliverables were updated, the budget increased, and several follow-up tasks were agreed. And if I head over to the Action tab, I can see a list of everyone's actions, and I can even tick off my own as I complete them, which I found really useful. Live transcriptions and basic summaries are also unlimited, which is important if you regularly record longer meetings and you don't want to keep checking how many minutes you've got left. Combine that with the 70 hours of continuous recording, it's clearly designed for people that spend a large part of their working week in meetings. Now, where it becomes much more useful than a standard recorder is with the Ask Comu. I can ask questions about the meeting in natural language rather than manually searching through the transcripts, and I can just press the AI Plus button on the front and speak to Comu. For example, I could ask, what was the new launch date? And it gives me the answer. I could ask, what additional content did the client request? And it just reads through all of it for me and gives me the answer. So this is particularly useful when you've got several meetings connected to the same project. Rather than trying to remember which call contained a certain detail, you can simply ask the question and get the information you need. The dedicated AI button also goes beyond just asking questions, Because the meeting included a request for a presentation, I can simply press the AI button and say, help me generate a presentation showing the updated campaign plan. Comu then asks me a few bits of information I'd like to include along with the style that I want, and then it generates a PowerPoint presentation draft covering all of the new information. Now, you may still want to make a few visual changes afterwards, but having the entire structure created automatically gives you a huge head start instead of beginning with a blank presentation. And here you can see the presentation that Comu has produced. Now, from that same meeting, I can also ask it to draft me up a follow-up email confirming everything that was agreed. Now, instead of writing the entire message myself, it can draft the email covering the updated launch date, the additional short form video that was requested, the revised talking points, and the deadline for the presentation. Now, for my own workflow, this is probably where Comu makes the most sense. Review meetings often lead to a collection of notes, emails, campaign documents, and tasks. And instead of simply recording the meeting, Comu helps me turn all of that conversation into practical outputs I can actually use, whether that's the transcript, summary, email draft, presentation, or my favorite bit, just the action items. Now, it removes a lot of the repetitive admin that normally follows every single meeting. Now, once the meeting is finished, Comu's Action tab automatically pulls together the task that came from discussions, and rather than reading back through pages of transcripts trying to work out who agreed to do what, it creates a clear list of action items so everyone knows exactly what they need to do next. And this has been one of the most helpful features for me, and it helps me stay on top of everything. Now, another feature I like is that Comu's multimodal AI, instead of only working from the meeting recording, it can combine that conversation with existing documents, presentations, or other supporting material to generate richer outputs that understand the wider context of a project rather than just one discussion. So if I'd already received the brief before that meeting, I could use both the meeting that was recorded and the brief together to generate a much more relevant output and take absolutely everything into account rather than relying on just a single conversation. Now, also, if you're regularly working with international clients, the premium plan also includes live multilingual translations across 113 languages, and this makes it much easier to collaborate with people around the world. Businesses handling more sensitive information are also going to appreciate the enterprise-grade privacy and security. It's GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC 2 compliant, helping keep both your conversations and your data protected. Now, jumping into the app, everything is laid out very clearly. All of your recordings appear on the home screen, and selecting one immediately gives you access to the transcript, the AI summary, the insights, or the actions, and it never really feels like you're searching through recordings. Instead, it literally feels like you're searching through knowledge because every meeting becomes something you can interact with rather than simply replay. Comu is what we covered earlier, and you can either ask AI or type it in here. Just ask any questions or have it draft emails or documents. Me is all of your settings and preferences, and then under more, we can add shortcuts. Now, setup was incredibly straightforward. After downloading the app and pairing the device, you simply sign into your account or create one, and you're ready to start recording within a few minutes. Now, inside the box, you get the Comu Action Pro itself, you've got the Quick Start Guide, manuals and documentations, and then we've got a magnetic ring for anyone who wants to attach it to their smartphone and their smartphone doesn't have magnets, and then finally we've got the USB-C cable. So overall, I think Comu is solving a much bigger problem than simply recording meetings. Recording conversations has been easy for years. The difficult part has always been how everything comes together afterwards, remembering decisions, writing follow-up emails, creating presentations, organizing tasks for different people, making sure nothing slips through the cracks, and that's where the Comu genuinely stands out. Rather than simply acting as another recorder, it positions itself as a proactive AI workmate that helps before meetings, it supports you during the meetings, and then it takes care of all of the admin afterwards. Now, having one device that can record the conversations, transcribe, summarize, and answer questions about it, and then turn it into email drafts, presentations, documents, or action items feels far more useful than simply having another AI chatbot. Now, I also like that it fits naturally into the way people already work, as it means you don't have to change your workflow. You attend your meetings as normal, place the device on the table or have it on your phone, and once it's finished, the AI takes care of all of the repetitive jobs that would normally take another 30 minutes or even an hour, and always having it attached to your phone is also incredibly handy. Whether that's sale calls, client meetings, interviews, project planning, or team discussions, this is definitely going to help you out a lot. Now, if you'd like to grab the Comu Action Pro for yourselves, then I've left a link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out now. You'll also find their current promotion along with fast and free shipping, a 12-month warranty, and lifetime customer support. Now, as always, I hope I've covered everything in today's video, but if you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.